Cutting down on red meat and having more meat-free days has a lot of benefits. You don't have to become a vegetarian to do this, but instead, become what people now call a flexitarian. A flexitarian is a person that has a more plant-based diet but occasionally eats meat, fish, and poultry. Here are 5 reasons why a less meat and more plant-based diet is better for you. But before I go ahead with today's video, if videos based on natural health and beauty is your kind of thing, then before to hit that subscribe button right below this video. Let's get started. Studies link a high intake of red and processed meats to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Recent US research published in the journal JAMA Internal Medicine suggests people who eat a vegetarian diet have a 22% lower risk of this cancer. It can aid weight loss. Around 26% of UK adults are obese and a further 41% of men and 33% of women are overweight. Carrying excess weight increases our risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, stroke, certain cancers, and arthritis. Plant-based diets tend to be less energy dense, so we can eat more and feel fuller, says HFG dietitian Juliet Kello. Swap 125g regular beef mince for a mix of 75g lean beef mince, 75g mushrooms, and 50g green lentils, and you'll have 60% more on your plate. Will reduce your calorie intake by a third and your total fat intake by over 2/3. Plus, you'll boost your fiber intake threefold. It can help lower cholesterol. Figures from the latest National Diet and Nutrition Survey reveal that meat products provide 24% of the saturates in the diets of 19 to 64-year-olds, and dairy products a further 22%. Plant foods are typically low in saturated fat, and some nuts, seeds, avocados, and vegetable oils are high in unsaturated fats, which help to maintain healthy cholesterol levels, says Juliet. Eating more fruit, veg, pulses, and grains provides a valuable mix of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and soluble fiber, which all work together to keep our heart and circulatory system healthy. It can save you money. It's possible to get your 5 a day and a large quantity of low-fat, low-calorie, filling food for a fraction of the cost of a steak. It's eco-friendly. Supply and production of food, including land use, accounts for 19% of UK greenhouse gas emissions. Put into context, the production of 10g beef protein releases the same quantity of greenhouse gases as 162g wheat protein, the amount in 46 slices of bread, 4 kilograms uncooked pasta, or 22 bowls of bran flakes. The figures speak for themselves. That's all for now, folks. I have more health videos coming soon, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to get updates. Until next time, stay healthy and stay hydrated.